right, we're starting off with our pre-washed gold potatoes. Now I'm coming in with my steak bites. All right, before we continue on, let's break apart our chunks of steak. You can use whatever cut of meat you like. Okay, that looks perfect. Now I'm gonna come in with my shrimp, and this is raw shrimp with the tails on. I couldn't find any raw shrimp that wasn't frozen without the tails, so we're doing it with the tails today, but that shouldn't be an issue. Just make sure to peel them before you eat them, and we're using our tongs to spread that out on top. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious dinner, my take on a surf and turf, and it's gonna be so good. We're gonna add some freshness with some rosemary, but you can use whatever herbs you like. And we're just gonna kind of place that throughout our pan. I'm using one of these little aluminum pans, but any 13x9 pan will work for this dinner. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good, you guys. You're really going to love it. Okay, that looks like the perfect amount of rosemary. Now I'm gonna come in with my minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you want, but mincing garlic can be so hard, so I am just buying the jar stuff. You cannot tell me that it doesn't taste good. I feel like it tastes way better than fresh, and you cannot convince me otherwise. And we're just putting a generous amount of that garlic into our pan. Now for seasoning, we're gonna keep it simple. We have 1 onion soup dip mix, and this is all the seasoning you'll need for this entire pan. I'm gonna just spread that out just like so. Delicious. Now, last but not least, we are gonna do some extra virgin olive oil. You could do avocado oil, you could do some butter, however you want to get your liquids in there. That will be great, but I'm using the olive oil to make it a little bit healthier. I know that onion packet has a lot of sodium, so I'm not adding any more sodium because this is gonna be delicious. All right, our gourmet surf and turf is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 375, and this is gonna cook for 25 minutes. All right, our surf and turf 1-pan dinner is ready. It smells incredible. It looks incredible. It is time to serve this up. We want a little bit of everything. We want the steak, we want the shrimp, we want some potatoes. Oh my goodness. You have to use the mini potatoes or they will not cook if they're too big. Okay, let's go ahead and get all that in there. Okay, start with that. It looks incredible. All right, I'm gonna eat steak because it's my favorite. Wow, that was so flavorful and delicious. You guys gotta try it.